Hi friends, and welcome to Arcade Treasure Center. My name is Roy, and right now I'm editing a video. It's the video you're watching right now, matter of fact. But first thing I want to do is give a quick shameless plug about me and ask you, if you haven't watched my last video, this one right here, go check out my last video. It's really good. It's all about gold jewelry, and many of you buy gold jewelry, many of you own gold jewelry, and I bet you don't know what your gold jewelry is worth. Now, you may have bought it and got a receipt. You may have had it appraised or even got an insurance coverage on it. But especially if you're a reseller, if you don't know what your gold jewelry is worth, then you really ought to find out. And in my instructional video that I put out, the last one, it's got a lot of good information. And I bet you truly don't know what your gold jewelry is worth. So you can continue and watch this video or come back and watch this video later. But I implore you that if you haven't seen that other video, go check it out, and I'll have a link in the description below and a little pop-up at the top right here. So go ahead and go check it out when you get a chance. Well, yesterday evening and last night I had quite a few sales. In fact, here's the list of the sales that I got to go pull today. So if I sound a little tired, I probably am, because I was up to about 4 o'clock in the morning last night doing a lot of work, doing some videos, editing videos, and posting items. So I might sound a little bit tired because I only got about 4 hours sleep. Anyway, I've got one item that I already pulled. Let me tell you about it. This is the first one. This is a Rainbird system for a sprinkler system. This is actually the Rainbird controller. This is the plug. I was selling them separately. I had a buyer offer $45 for both, so I took it and sold both these items for $45 free shipping, and I don't have anything into them, so that's a good profit. So the next item that I sold is going to be over here in this right here. It's this one down here on the bottom. I finally sold this old vintage Clue game, so let me get it pulled out. So as you can tell by the artistry on this box that this is fairly old. It's an old Clue game. It's been around for a little bit, and I don't know if you can see it, but right here is the date, 1956. So this is an old game, and there's not a lot of value to this game. I've sold other board games that have a higher value, but this one's sold for good money, and it sold for $20 plus shipping. All right, so the next item I'm selling is back here. It's back here in this tubs here. It's my plush tubs. It's going to be either in this one or this one. No, that's pretty simple. It's not in that one. It's got to be in this one. No, it's this one down here on the bottom. All right. So inside this bag is a 6-inch Adventure Planet raccoon. And he sold for $5.99 plus shipping. And I only got about 98 cents into him. So this next item that I sold is down in here, and it's this one right here. Now this is a pink Nike swoosh hat. I got an offer for this hat, which was a good offer. I've only got about 98 cents into this, and it sold for $8 plus shipping. You can definitely tell that people are stuck inside the house. The next thing I sold was this brand new Which Golfer Did That puzzle. And it's a, I guess, trivia question type puzzle. It's got trivia questions and it's a puzzle. And it sold for $17.88 free shipping. All right, sold this next item. It's right here in the B1 bin. And this is just what it says it is. It's a stainless steel 10-ounce travel mug. Good for camping or using at home or wherever you want to go. Sold it for $11.99 free shipping. This next item that's going out I thought was kind of interesting. Doesn't have a lot of value, but I thought it was pretty interesting. And it's in here. And it's down here on the bottom. Set it right there. Put the lid back on this. All right, this is a minor league baseball. It's really not even minor league, and it's an autographed baseball. This is an old league that no longer exists. It was a third league that offset from Major League Baseball and minor league baseball. Well, this ball is, I found it at a thrift store. I looked it up, did some research, found some names, and figured out this has got a lot of all-star signatures on them that played on the Rio Grande Valley White Wings. So I didn't figure it would fetch very much. I think I got $1 into it. I listed an auction and it sold for $10 plus the buyer paid the shipping. All right, the next item's up here and it's right there. It's one of the last of the coffee mugs I picked up at an estate sale. This is Jar Jar Binks, Star Wars Lucasfilms coffee mug, and he sold for, I believe it was $8 plus shipping. The next item is going to be down in here. It's right here. And what this is a Berkeley fishing rod holder. It's a fishing rod holder that you can mount on a wall vertically or in a boat. It holds 5 fishing poles. It's not very heavy, and it sold for $22, and it's going to go to Puerto Rico. And of course, Puerto Rico is a territory of the United States, so it's going to go out at regular first-class shipping price. And the last item that's going out, which is actually 4 items that was purchased by one person, and it's back here. And that's these. I sold 4 of these LeBron James Funko Pops. And so I got to put the camera down to be able to grab a hold of these because I need to get them. Plus I got the Funko Pop containers or pop covers. So I need to get these and the pop covers, go put it down and put them together so I can get them packaged. All right, I got all the packages wrapped up and I'm about to put the labels on. One thing I can say is it's definitely been a much better sales. eBay sales is picking up. Well, thanks everyone for watching. I know this is a short sold video, but this is all I got, and I got a lot to work on. Now, don't mind the light, but I got a lot to work on over here. I got to clean up all that shipping stuff I've been moving around. I got this pile of things I got to just do something with. It's just becoming a pile of mess and boxes and some other little things. But that's what I got to do, and now I've got the time to do it, so I might as well get it done. Well, to all you resellers out there, when you get a chance, find it, sell it, profit. To everyone else and to all the viewers, be safe, take care, and be kind to one another. Bye, everybody.